Well, it is 6:30, 6:45, Friday afternoon. Just started on the trail. Plan to do, I think it might be 8 miles and about 1,200 feet of elevation through the Red Hills. Going to hike from Melvin Breathen Road all the way through the Red Hills, turn around and come back tonight. So 6:45, approximately 6:45 right now. See what time it is when we get back to the car. Getting ready for elk season personally, but I'm not sure what Bill's doing.
Getting out of the house.
Yeah, he came on a 8-mile hike with a bottle of water at nighttime with no headlamp.
Hey, what could go wrong?
You do have, I did make him stop by and get a couple granola bars, so we'll see. Maybe I have more food than I need, but oh, it is 8 p.m. We're about 2/3 through the first leg, and it's thundering, and it's just now started to rain. So you can see this is one of the hills we're going down. It's a pretty long hill. You can get a better idea of how steep it is by looking down there. So it's starting to get dark in the woods, and it's starting to rain. It's going to make for an adventurous evening. You can see this is one of the toughest hills out here. I always call them elephant ears.
I think it's like a coffee tree or a turmoil tree.
Really?
Yeah.
This is a hill right here. This is probably one of the toughest hills out here.
It's a good hill.
Yeah.
All right, can we put that in your pack?
Nah, I got it. I just hold it for now.
Is there any edible plants out here?
Yeah.
Blackberry.
Well, I mean, technically everything's edible. It's just that you shouldn't be edible.
Right.
You can eat it. It just might kill you. No, I don't know. Other than blackberries
Man,
and dandelions.
went up to Camp Teoc last Wednesday, a week ago. There was blackberries everywhere.
All right, it's getting dark. It's thundering and lightning, as you can hear. We're up in the Red Hills.
If you find our bodies, I blame him.
This is where we tell ghost stories.
Yeah, got another good long hill to go up. You can kind of see how far down on that side the drop off on this ridge. Oh, just saw a dragonfly. It's actually darker than what this camera makes it look. The camera makes it look way brighter than it really is out here.
Don't worry, these bullets don't discriminate.
That's right.
Well, it is raining now, which feels wonderful. You can probably hear the thunder. So 4.3 miles to the gravel road, doing 2.5 miles an hour. So we've been walking for, what would we say,
Hour and a half.
hour and a half. So really, that's not too bad. Yeah. Yep. So, all right, 4 miles back, so we'll get 8 miles in tonight.
Gosh, if
Be
we just go
getting-
a little further, we could do 9.
I know, well,
Get to the
yeah,
top,
well,
we
we could do it. Just go another half a mile that way,
We
and
go
another half a mile back.
Go another half mile.
That's
We
9.
could just go home.
If we go a mile that way, and then a mile back, then we'll get in.
I'm along
10.
for the ride.
Yeah. Well, I wanted to get 8 miles in. I thought it would be 8. I thought we had to go a little further to get 8 miles. So it won't be bad. We're really hour and a half, so we'll be back close to 7 No, close to 10 o'clock. It is about 8:40, and it is raining. And it is dark, but it's all good. It's not like we're making our way down a... We were bushwhacking our way out of the mountains. I would set up a tent and just stay for the night. But what we got?
Well,
What we got? An hour and 15 minutes, probably. It took
yeah.
us an hour and a half.
it's not.
It took us an hour and a half to get to the road, and we walked back in about 15 minutes or 10 minutes.
I mean, if you spent
we
the
got-
night out here, you'd be spending a pretty wet night.
Oh no! I'm talking about if we were backpacking.
Oh, right.
And we had tents. Even then, I think if I had an hour to get back to the car, I might just get on back to the car. But it's not bad. Rain is keeping it feeling good.
I do like the sound of the,
Oh man,
the
I love
thunder and the rain.
at night
So
in the
great.
rain. And it's cool. There's that. All right, about another hour, 20 minutes to get back. It'll be a nice cool night in the rain. It is really coming down now. And the trail is getting super wet and muddy, which is making these hills muddy and a little bit sketchy. That step is a big one. Yep. What do you think, Bill?
It's easy for me if you go ahead of me.
Bill's sopping wet. Well, we're all sopping wet.
It's all good.
Yeah, I know. We got back to the stopping bridge. My feet are. See how much water. See,
Oh,
that's how much water I had. Yes.
pour the boot out.
Oh yeah, I am. Well, I told you I had water in my boot. These Gore-Tex boots are, I think,
Oh Lord.
yeah, these Gore-Tex boots are not draining the water. It's going down my leg and collecting inside the boot. Very well. Shine on me. Shine on me. Alright, well, we're about, I think we got about another hour. Another mile or so. It stopped raining, which is good. Which really it didn't. Well, but the only thing about the rain is it gets your feet wet. If it wasn't for my feet, boots filling up with rain, it wouldn't really matter.
It sounded good and it
Yeah, it feels good.
cooled off, so.
Yeah. All right. A little bit more of a push to get out of here. How you feeling, Larkin?
Wet.
Wet?
I think we have an hour.
I don't think it's that long.
Yeah, nah. When we get rolling, it'll take us about 45 minutes to get out of here. All right. Get my boots dried out and get out of here.
Is this gonna?
Well, just had a little bit of an adventure.
Well, it's a lesson.
Yeah, a lesson. So we got all finished drying out my boots, got back on the trail, but there's a tree across the trail, and there was a little trail to the right. It was actually the tractor trail. When they mow this trail, the tractors go around that bridge. So we got on the little trail that the tractors use. We jumped the creek and start going back up the hill, and then we're walking, turn around going south again instead of going north. So we're walking through these hills. I'm like, no, we should be on flat ground along the river. So dropped a couple pins. I'm like, yep, we're walking south. We're supposed to be walking north. So we got an extra probably mile at least of hills in, which is good. So we'll see what our total distance is when we get to the end. But yeah, that was a little lesson. Man, you can get off, especially at night, you can get off the trail so fast, get turned around and be walking the wrong way and end up, if it wasn't for this my Onyx map, I had it on trace, so it's tracing our tracks. Even though we're on the trail, we were going south when we need to be going north back to the car. So keeping that trace on the Onyx is, man, lifesaver tonight. All right, well, we're almost got about another half a mile, but you can see this thunderstorm behind us. Can't hear it, but you sure can see it going off. Holy smoly, that is a lot of lightning over there. I don't know why we can't hear it. Why do you think we can't hear any of it?
It could be, you know, some atmospheric conditions, some ducking conditions that direct the sound away from us. But right overhead is stars.
I know.
That's a wild, I mean, as soon as you get some cell service, I'm going to look at that weather.
Dang, that is a lot of lightning.
That's a bit, yeah. It's like,
Holy smoke.
it's like Kiev or something.
I mean, there's
You feel like
probably
heat?
like, oh yeah, there's got to be like 10 lightning strikes a second right now
Yeah,
going on.
it's not stopping.
That is crazy.
I'm going to go see it from that field area.
Yeah, I know. That's why I kind of wanting to walk out here. All right, we're back to the car. One last hard push.
Is the ground dry right here? It's nutty.
It's wet, but it's kind of drier than it should be, right?
Yeah.
Jeez,
Wow.
that is crazy amount of lightning.
Wow. Get my phone out and see what's going on.
Whoa.
Oh, that was cool.
Oh yeah, got to. Man, this is crazy amount of lightning. Dude, if you're up north, up near
Wiggins or
wherever that
something?
is,
Yeah.
no, Wiggins is south of us.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's up towards New Augusta. Yeah, that's like New Augusta, up that way, and Richton.
Oh my goodness. And it's a lot. I mean, look how much goes all over. It goes from way over
Yeah, I mean,
there
yeah, it's going.
to way over here.
Well, we can't hear it. That's what's crazy.
I know.
I can't believe we're not hearing the thunder.
Don't even need a flash.
All right, I got brought something special for Larkin. Look in the cooler.
Is it a popsicle? You forget it?
Oh, they're not frozen anymore. They're kind of frozen. Popsicle.
Yeah, I don't want that.
I have one.
Oh, they're still good. They're cold.
I think this-
There's. Oh. Oh my God.
I got
Dude,
owned.
that was. Oh, how did that happen?
Be attacked.
Well, I mean, how did that? It just,
I don't know, it
just
just broke
exploded.
I hear you. Wait. Let's
Put
pull.
those back in the cooler.
Ah. Come on.
Here's the keys.
Dude, it's still cold. and fruity
I've already got water.
and sugary. Well, what do y'all think, guys?
That was good.
Yeah. 8.9 miles. At least an hour in the rain. How long do you think we hiked in the rain? About an hour in the rain. Got turned around one time, only one time.
Well,
Hiked an extra, probably solid mile.
6/10 of a mile or something.
No, it was exactly 4. We should have got back almost exactly 8 miles, and we had an extra 1/9 of a mile. So, all right. Well,
That's good.
yeah,
I
Black
would
Creek
do
Trail
it, man.
at night in a thunderstorm. Good times.
Doesn't get any better than that.
Yep. All right. Good night, y'all guys. Remember, it's just better down here, y'all. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Hey, do me a favor and give the video a thumbs up over there and subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, if you can go to my website, thesouthernhood.com, and check out all the shirts and hats I got over there. I'd really appreciate that too. Hey, thanks again. And remember, it's just better down here, y'all.